Hey, welcome back. Today it's hot as can be. It's hot all across the country, so I thought I'd do a quick video about my shade cloths. I just finished modifying one of them, so let's go check them out. This one I just raised up. It was too low to the trees. It's probably still not as high as it needs to be, but this is what I call my nursery or intensive care unit. This is where a lot of cuttings and trees like the big juniper are getting misted. And I know that tree looks dead, but it is not. Yeah, so this shade cloth is just held up with some cedar strips, zip ties, support poles. And there's a misting system in here. This one is up to the house over there. It's up pretty high above the trees. And then I have a couple of flagpole holders here that I stretch it out with. That keeps it held pretty nicely. You can see it there. There's a piece of bamboo that's holding it. These are just regular flagpole holders. So far they're doing all right. Haven't had any extreme winds yet, but seems to be doing okay. There's a misting system over here too for when I'm on vacation or on super hot days. They'll come on, cool everything off. As you can see, I have a lot of small trees that need misting. That's a cool tree there. But under here, I'd say it's at least 15 degrees cooler when I stand under here. I currently have a problem with squirrels. Yeah, so there it is. That's the shade cloth solution. It's attached to the house with some grommets. You got to make sure you go all the way to the top where there's wood to attach to, not just stick it in your siding. That one is just attached to the frame of a cheap greenhouse. Some juniper cuttings. They're doing pretty good. Here's my bald cypress seeds. Some Yamadoris that are thriving. That's it. So get your trees protected from this heat. Thanks for watching.